I think I did a poor job trying to explain in the comments because I can only type in so many characters, but this is the square in question. I freehanded most of it. This little bunny here, I Googled bunny appliques and this came up as like a graph. I did see it on TikTok and I saw it a couple other places as well. It was really super simple. It was just like a couple rounds of double crochet and then the ears, I glued some felt in and put some eyes on them. And I did it as a granny square. Um, it's a 24 count circle, so you can basically do a corner, skip one, one, skip one, a corner, skip one, one, skip one, one granny stitch, skip one, one corner. Um, and then I do have, I upload my lives. I did this on one of my lives on TikTok, and I upload my lives to YouTube. So you can go back to any of my YouTube videos that are, it's Nifty Knots, one word with a Z, NIFTYKNOTZ. And under the playlist Nifty Knots Talk, I have two videos, I believe, that are making motifs pop on granny squares. And during one of those, you can just click through to see, what I did and where I did it. And but one of those videos, I think there's two of them. I showed you how I actually put this together as a tilted granny square. You can do the same principle if you wanted to put it together for a uh, regular granny square, but I did them tilted because I like the granny square bags. So these big giant tote bags that are made with tilted squares. So I did all of my squares tilted so I could make a tote bag out of this one. I'm just waiting for the rest of my yarn. Um, I'm sorry about the bad explanation I tried to give as a comment before. I hope that explains a little bit more how I did it. But yeah, it was a really just simple graph that I just happened to Google and find. I don't remember who did it to give them credit, but they certainly deserve it. If I get a chance, maybe I'll see if I can find it and put a link. I have a shout outs page on my website where I have links to other people's patterns that I've used and I've liked. So maybe I'll see if I can do that. But I hope that helped a little bit better and maybe kind of helped you get to where you want to be with that pattern. Thanks for the interest.